Today I'm cooking with you. I couldn't resist. I'm devouring a Neapolitan tarallo. Today I'm cooking with you. I was talking about southern Orecchiette. I chose this made up name because in this dish, besides the Orecchiette, there's Anduja, there's buffalo burrata, and there's Neapolitan tarallo. Make this recipe with me because even though it's simple, it really turns out to be a wonderful dish. Let's get started. So first of all, I cut some onion. If you prefer, feel free to use, even though this onion is also local, a nice red onion from Tropea. Then I put some extra virgin olive oil in the pan. Add the freshly chopped onion and gently saute it over low heat. Perfect. Now I add the tomato puree. I season with salt. And without a lid, the sauce needs to reduce. I cook for 10 to 12 minutes on medium heat. Now, since the water is boiling, I add salt and cook the orecchiette. Now, while the pasta is cooking, I transfer the sauce into the hand blender cup. Put it all in because the flavors need to blend together really well. By the way, let me remind you that you can find my two cookbooks only on Amazon. Search for Carlo Gaiano recipe book and you'll get them in at most 2 days. Then I put it. Now I add the buffalo burrata. Then I mix a little with the spoon and quickly blend everything. Very good. Now I put the cream I made into the pan. I scrape everything well with the spatula. Look how much there is. I think this is one of the most useful tools in the kitchen, in pastry making, in ice cream making, everywhere. I turn the heat back on under the pan, turn off the flame under the pasta. And when there's 1 minute left before it's done cooking, I transfer it to the pan and let it finish cooking and absorb the flavor in the sauce. Perfect. The pasta is al dente. So I turn off the flame, then onto the plate. Then I add a bit of crumbled Neapolitan tarallo, little bit of burrata, a drizzle of olive oil, and I'll taste it with you. Mamma mia, it's so good. Make it and let me know what you think in the comments below. For now, I'll say goodbye, and as usual, before I leave you, let me wish you bon appetit.